share this video.
Brother, come. Are you a pastor or Anglican priest or
Anglican priest.
You're Anglican priest.
Yes.
Based where?
Here in South Africa, in the Eastern Cape.
Eastern Cape.
Yes.
Anglican priest, man of God. So what is that?
Yesterday, when they spoke that there's somebody here while we were praying who couldn't hear with 1 ear, and he only hears with 1 ear. This one busted open, and I can hear with this one.
Get your fuma, Nyanti of fuma, Nyanti of fuma.
Who knows you here? Is anybody knows you here? Huh?
Shadi, one of the gallant men from Nigeria. That's
Okay, Moyo.
yes.
The Anglican priest. Your wife is here.
Yes. No.
Let the wife come. Are you the wife?
Yes, sir.
Your husband cannot hear with 1 ear.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. The ear was open. Which one can you not hear from? Okay, close this one. Close it very well. Man of God, close that one very well. 1. What did I say?
1.
2. What did I say?
2.
The brother is even here. Let the brother come. You are the brother of Reverend.
I'm the brother.
Oh my God. Please wave your hand to Jesus.
Another RNG in South Africa. This time around, involving an Anglican priest, not a Catholic priest. Zion Polapo had a RNG home and away.
Bring the man of God up. He cannot hear with 1 ear. Yesterday, when we are calling the wounds of Jesus, that the ear burst open. And the man of God said, I cannot cover this. Madam, where are your children? And the Spirit is telling me that there is no child in this marriage. Huh?
For 20 years.
Oh, be magnified, oh Lord.
You are the and there is nothing you can do. Oh Lord, when I follow you, you are the power.
Be magnified. Oh Lord, be magnified.
You are working in South Africa here?
Yes, sir.
And what is the name of your parish?
You know, that's of Grahamstown.
Diocese of
Grahamstown.
Genuntio.
Eastern Cape.
Eastern Cape. That is your parish now.
That's the St. Saviour's Anglican Church.
St. Saviour Anglican Church.
In East London.
Oh, wave your hands to Jesus. The same God who opened your ear will make your wife to have children.
Amen.
I can't hear your amen. I can't hear your amen. Two of you will come and see me cry no more. I see children coming to this marriage.
Amen.
The yoke of barrenness is over. In the name of Jesus. The matter is settled. Be thou exalted, O
heaven. Akpọrọ afa parish ịghọtana ebe this Anglican priest nọ na South Africa ịghọtago ụmụnne anyị ndị noise makers ya nọ na South Africa. Evangelist Ebuka Obi nwa mee ife anywhere that is not Nigeria, they will go in for it. You have the time now to go and do your verification. You have your time to go and do your verification. Unaya kwụsịnata ọlụ ịrịba ama. Miracle day in, day out. Onwere ifunu ga-emenwu about it. This is the miracle worth celebrating. A Catholic priest now the Catholic and Anglican priest kita akonu ya no we ma ife di iche na egbe onwekwo nke ka ibe ye mma but unu wotara ebe nneje. This is an Anglican priest. You won't hear anybody say anything. You won't even hear any bishop say anything. You won't hear any member of the Anglican diocese of anywhere say anything, because na nwoke wu salvation ye ko je we choro all solution culture and of solution on nature. You will not hear it. It will be like nothing happened. But no a Catholic priest ke for eba kaketa he have go a lot of people ye be raised in a dust. Nyaduna kaya say no I am talking about a certain people in the Catholic Church, not all of them, because all of them are not thinking like that. Oh no keta a reverend sister or a reverend father ke for eba oku ya pabana ezi. But if an Anglican priest, you won't hear anything. You won't hear anything, because but God is everywhere and God can use anybody. So I challenge our brothers in South Africa, and I challenge you people to go and dig up this particular RNG, because this is an international RNG. All the way from Nigeria. RNG is something in South Africa. It means that the man be too powerful. And the we serve a miracle working God, and the miracle record can water. If you claim it, it will be your portion. Celebrate grace. Celebrate grace. Na South Africa. If you're Bama neighbor na South Africa, share this video. Share this video. Share this video. Balon.